Hello, I'm Dr. Mangla Devi. I'm a fertility specialist and gynec and obstetrician. I work at Smile Baby IVF and as a chief consultant in KC Raju Multi-Speciality Hospital and Ashishuka Hospitals. Most often when we eat a healthy diet, most of the vitamins are supplied through our diet. So patients often ask that is it necessary for us to take a vitamin supplement? Well, studies have proven that it is necessary to take an additional vitamin supplement to help in fertility. These studies have proven to be of beneficial effect, and most people who have been consuming these supplements have known to conceive much faster than others. What are the vitamins that are most important for conceiving? Some of them are the vitamin B complex. So B complex vitamins are a range of vitamins. They may be B1, B2, B3, B6, B9 or B12. So all these supplements seem to have helped with ovulation, that is the formation and release of an egg from the ovary. In addition, they also help in maintaining the health of the sperm, both the sperm quantity and the sperm quality and movement of the sperm. In addition, these B complex medicines also help in reducing what is known as homocysteine levels in the body, and this in turn helps the normal metabolism of the body. Among all the vitamins, the folic acid vitamin is another very important vitamin. So it is given even prior to conception as it affects the DNA metabolism in the body. So this folic acid is a very important supplement as it improves not only the egg health but it also gives sperm motility and morphology a boost. So folic acid of 400 micrograms is usually recommended, and it is advisable to take this folic acid supplement at least 3 months prior to pregnancy or prior to planning a pregnancy. And of course, it should be continued during the duration of pregnancy as well, up to 3 months of your pregnancy. Apart from that, we also see that vitamin D is another important vitamin. It is known as the sunshine vitamin and it is definitely not scarce in India. However, due to our lifestyle, there is a deficiency of vitamin D nowadays. So a regular supplement of vitamin D is also important as it improves egg health, it also improves sperm quality, and in addition, it is seen that it also prevents what is known as polycystic ovarian syndrome or PCOS. So as such, vitamin D supplement is very important and is necessary to be taken regularly. In addition, it is also seen that vitamin C is also important. Most of the supplements that we know also have vitamin C in good measure. So vitamin C improves the immunity and it also helps increase the cellular energy. So with this, the vitality and movement of the sperms are usually increased. In addition, in women, it also improves the egg health. So an additional vitamin C supplement is also needed to improve your fertility parameters. Vitamin E is another very important vitamin. It is an antioxidant. It also improves cellular energy and it is useful in both ovulatory function as well as in sperm health. So vitamin E at a minimal dose is also necessary. In addition to this, there are several micronutrients such as iron, zinc, selenium. So all these micronutrients in some measure or the other are required for maintaining both ovulatory function and for sperm health. So any vitamin supplement that we take should have a combination of all these vitamins as well as micronutrients in the required doses. However, all these supplements, though available over the counter, are not without side effects. So I would advise that when we think of taking a vitamin supplement, it would be better to take it under the advice of your gynecologist.